45? You're going to stack for 45 for your Sunday shake. Ooh, here we go. Alright, this is a single pump.
What?
Single pump.
Yeah, there it is.
I think he woke up.
One switch?
That's
all you need to balance
yet.
Yeah.
Oh, just the front?
Alright, Charles. You give me a now when you're ready, and I don't want you to start this switch until you hear him scream.
Dang it. No, I see good, dude. Look.
Yeah, it's just...
Alright, so this is a home-built single pump driver. He did not push this sucker up there. He did not trailer it in. He does run this thing. So Charles, you ready? Put your hands together, make some noise for Charles. Let me know. 1, 2, 3! Alright, this is not Fat Guy assisted. What they are doing is actually just keeping it on the mat so we don't roll back.
Come on, get it up there!
Damn. Bump it!
How high?
There it is.
About a midget and a half. 40 right now.
Oh.
40. Now when we're measuring the hop, we are measuring the bottom of the front rim. We are not measuring the tire. Alright, put your hands together and make some noise for Charles Miller Sr.
All right.
Just don't get
Now these are fathers.